Here's a recipe for a delicious chicken spice roll. Ingredients. For the chicken filling, 2 chicken breasts, boneless and skinless, thinly sliced. 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 onion, finely chopped. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon chili powder. Adjust to taste for spice level. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons tomato paste. 1/4 cup chicken broth or water. Chopped cilantro for garnish. For thero, 4 large tortillas or flatbreads. 1 cup shredded lettuce. 1 cup diced tomatoes. 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese. Sour cream or Greek yogurt for serving. Instructions. Chicken filling. Heat olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add chopped onions and saute until translucent. Add minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Add sliced chicken breasts and cook until they start to brown. Sprinkle paprika, cumin powder, chili powder, salt, and pepper over the chicken. Stir well to coat. Mix in tomato paste and chicken broth or water. Reduce heat to low and let it simmer until the chicken is cooked through and the sauce thickens slightly. Once done, remove from heat and sprinkle chopped cilantro over the chicken mixture. Assembling the spice rolls, lay out the tortillas or flatbreads on a clean surface. Evenly distribute the shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and shredded cheddar cheese onto each tortilla. Spoon the prepared spicy chicken mixture onto the center of each tortilla. Add a dollop of sour cream or Greek yogurt on top of the chicken filling, optional. Carefully roll each tortilla, tucking in the sides as you go, to form a tight roll. Slice the rolls into smaller sections for serving. Presentation for YouTube. Show the step-by-step process of preparing the chicken, filling, and assembling the spicy rolls. Highlight the spices and their aroma while cooking the chicken to emphasize the flavor. Capture close-up shots of the filling being spooned onto the tortillas and the rolls being neatly sliced. Decorate the serving plate with extra chopped cilantro and a drizzle of hot sauce for an added spicy kick. Film a taste test to showcase the flavors and textures of the spicy rolls. Remember to engage with your audience, share helpful tips, and encourage them to try the recipe at home. Happy cooking and filming!